cumulative distribution function. So again, this one you have capital Fx. Okay, capital Fx stand for cumulative distribution function. So distribution function shows the probability that a random variable is less than or equal to some specified value. Okay, so let's say we have capital Fx. So capital Fx is the same thing if you write probability capital X less than or equals to some value of X. Okay, so that means we have, for discrete, we have the term or the symbol summation. Okay, summation t less than equals to X, so Ft. Okay, so for example, let's say if you want to find F2. Okay, that means probability X less than or equals to 2. Okay, let's say your small x start from 1, 2, and so on. Katakan sampai 5. Okay, so F2, capital F2, that means you have probability X equals to 1 plus probability X equals to 2. If you want to find capital F3, so probability X less than or equals to 3. So probability of X1 plus probability of X2 plus probability of X equals to 3. Okay, so symbol summation there, you have summation Ft, so T less than equals to X. Okay. So if we display in terms of graph for discrete random variable, it will come out as a step function. Okay, step function. Okay, step function dia macam ni lah lebih kurang So step function. So katakan daripada sini ke sini, ini dia punya value, katakan 1 up to 2. 2, okay, katakan 3 up to 4, mungkin daripada sini ke sini. Itu kita panggil sebagai step function. It's not a function yang macam ni. So macam ni, ini adalah continuous function. So ini yang kita panggil sebagai step function. Okay, for discrete random variable. Okay, let's say if we refer to example 3.4. Okay, example 3.4. So let fx equals to 1 over 15, 1 plus x squared. For x equals to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. Again, okay, the value is a discrete. Okay. So you want to determine capital Fx, which is the cumulative distribution function. Okay, cumulative distribution function. So you have capital F minus 2, so probability X less than or equals to minus 2. Okay, so since you don't have the value starting less than minus 2, so that means probability X less than or equals to minus 2 is the same thing as probability X equals to minus 2. Okay, just substitute je. Okay, so capital F minus 1. So probability X less than equals to minus 1. So that means you need to add probability X equals to minus 2 plus probability of X equals to minus 1. Okay, but the less than or equal. So the same thing, capital F0. So minus 2, minus 1, 0. So substitute the value. Okay, so you get 8 over 15. Okay, this one. This one betul kan ya? Okay, so should be capital F1, probability X less than or equals to 1. Okay, probability X less than or equals to 1. Okay, so capital F1, probability X less than or equals to 1. So you will have minus 2, X equals to minus 2, plus probability X equals to minus 1, plus probability X equals to 0, plus probability X equals to 1. So 10 over 15. Okay, the last one, capital F2. F2 ni pun. Okay, probability X less than or equals to 2. So you will have minus 2, probability X equals to minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. So again, total probability must equals to 1. So itu kita namakan sebagai cumulative probability, cumulative distribution function. Okay, hasil tambah dengan nilai-nilai yang sebelum tu. So capital Fx. Okay, capital Fx. So again, so this one is a cumulative distribution function. Hasil tambah nilai sebelumnya. Okay. And the last answer, capital Fx tu should equals to 1. Okay, so itu adalah dia punya nilai lah ya. Okay. Okay. Let's say we refer to task 3.6. Okay, task 3.6. Okay, so task 3.6, you want to find probability x equals to 5, x equals to 4, probability x less than 5. So given is your capital Fx, not your small fx. Okay, the last value is equals to 1. So now you want to find probability x equals to 4. Dia punya probability exactly 4 though. Okay, so that's mean if you want to find probability x equals to 4, okay, so that's mean you will have probability x less than or equals to 4 minus probability x less than or equals to 3, which is capital F4 minus F3. Okay, why? So probability x less than equals to 4, that means you have probability x equals to 2, probability x equals to 3, plus probability x equals to 4. Okay, x less than equals to 3, so x equals to 2, plus probability x equals to 3. Okay, so this one minus this one, you will get back probability x equals to 4 as 4. So capital F4 minus capital F3. So in this case, you will have 0.45 minus 0.3, so 0.15. Okay, exactly 4. Okay, direct So kita nak dapatkan probability x equals to 4. So kita akan guna sebab yang diberi tu adalah capital Fx, cumulative distribution function. So if you want to find F4, that means probability x less than or equals to 4. Capital F3, x less than or equals to 3. So F4 minus F3, then you get probability x equals to 4. Okay. So let's say if I want to find probability x equals to 5. So x equals to 5, dia akan jadi apa? Exactly 5. So exactly 5. So that means you will have probability x less than or equals to 5 minus probability x less than or equals to 4. Okay, you will have F5 minus F4. Again, F5 because we have 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, F4, 2, 3, 4. F5 minus capital F5 minus capital F4, then you get probability x equals to 5. Okay, boleh faham? Okay, the next one, you will have probability x less than 5. X less than 5 does not include 5. So that means you only want to find up to x less than or equals to 4. Okay, so since the table provides us cumulative distribution function, so you will have capital F4. Okay, capital F4, so which is 0.45. Okay, boleh faham tak konsep cumulative distribution? Okay, cumulative distribution maksudnya hasil tambah nilai sebelumnya. So you want to find exactly 4. Dia tak ada sama dengan less than equal, tak ada. So that means less than equals to 4 minus less than equals to 3. So capital F4 minus capital F3. Okay, if you want to find less than 5, does not include 5. So that means 2, 3, 4. So probability x less than equals to 4. So the same thing, capital F4. Okay, lagi apa lagi? Okay, okay. Ataupun let's say if you want to find, okay, probability x greater than 5. Okay, x greater than 5. So you will have, okay, 1, kalau nak guna konsep probability, 1 minus probability X less than or equals to 5. Sebab ini tak termasuk 5. So yang tinggal 6 je lah. Ataupun konsep dia sebab dia adalah kumulatif. So 1 minus probability X less than or equals to 5. So you will have 1 minus capital F5. Okay. Okay. Okay, kalau let's say saya letak kat sini, okay, kat sini probability X greater than or equals to 5. So what you need to do? Dia akan jadi apa? Greater than or equals to 5. So 1 minus apa? So X greater than or equals to 5. You will have probability X equals to 5 plus probability X equal to 6. So again, let's say you want to find concept 1 minus. Okay, 1 minus. Amirul kata 0.45. Dia bagi jawapan terus. Okay, 1 minus. Okay, that's mean 1 minus probability X less than or equals to 4. Ataupun 1 minus capital F4. Okay, sebab kita nak 5 and 6. Okay, so 1 minus probability X less than or equals to 4. 1 minus capital F4. So 1 minus 0.45 lah actually. 1 minus 0.45. Okay, sebab kita nak X equals to 5 and also X equals to 6. Okay, boleh ke? Okay. Sekejap. Okay, kita tengok this one Okay, task 3.7 Okay, task 3.7 So you have in a semiconductor manufacturing process, 2 wafers from a lot are tested. Okay, dia ambil 2 2 wafers. Okay. So each wafer is classified again pass or fail. Assume that the probability that a wafer pass the test 0.8 and the wafers are independent. Sama juga soalan tadi tu. So X is defined as equal number of wafers that pass. Okay. Find the probability function of X and then compute capital Fx. Okay, soalan yang sama Sekejap, kita go back tadi. Mana tadi? Wafer tadi tu. Okay, dalam example Okay, so this one. Probability pun sama 0.8 So you will have probability. Okay, probability X equals to 0, 1 and 2. Okay. So compute dia punya yang ini part A Ini jawapan untuk part A lah untuk question task 3.7A. Okay, because number of wafer that pass, so it can be either no wafer pass, only 1 ataupun 2 wafer pass the test. Okay, now you want to build up or you want to compute capital Fx. So again, buat ke table X, capital Fx. So again letak value 0, 1, 2. So ini 0.04. 0.32 times 0.0, sorry, plus 0.04. So 0.36. Okay, and then the last one, 0.64 plus 0.32 plus 0.04. So that's mean you will have one Betul Okay, so itu kamu punya capital F. Okay, F0 is 0.04, F1, X0 plus S1, so 0.36, F2, 0, 1, 2. So you get total 1. Okay, that is your cumulative distribution function. Okay. That's 3.6. Okay. Yes, I stop sharing this one first. Okay, kita tengok. Sekejap. Okay, we look at the concept for cumulative distribution. Okay, sama je, cuma saya write it again. Okay. So again, discrete random variable, you have capital Fx. Okay, again, capital Fx denoted as probability x less than or equals to x. You have your summation Ft. So again, it satisfy Fx, it can be either 0 ataupun total probability dia must equals to 1. Okay. So again, yang part ni, okay, find capital Fx is a random variable x has the following distribution. Okay. So maksudnya kat sini kita dah ada probability function. Okay. So kamu nak build upkan dia. Okay. X. And then you have capital Fx. So again lah 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay. So F0, capital F0. So again, you have 0.25. F2, so that's mean probability x equals to 0 plus probability x equals to 2. So you will have 0.45. F4, so tambah lagi 0.3, 0.55. So 0.55 plus 0.25. So berapa 0.8 Okay, 0.86. Ini 0. Apa? 95, 0.99, and then 1. Okay, so that is your capital Fx cumulative distribution function. Okay, itu simple je lah ya. Basic. Okay, you have the x values and then you want to build up your capital F, which is your cumulative distribution function. So add dia punya values sebelum tu. Okay. Okay, kalau let's say I have this one dalam bentuk function. But again, this one is a apa nama? A discrete random variable. Okay, still discrete random variable. Okay, you have capital Fy 0, 0.01, 0.23, 0.64, 0.86. Last value is 1. Okay, so let's say, okay, katakan dulu, okay, first saya nak minta kamu sketchkan dulu. Sketchkan you punya capital Fy. Okay, sketchkan dia punya ni. Sketch capital Fy. Okay, kita tahu kalau discrete, dia adalah step function. So, step function kamu tu macam mana? Okay, so you draw. Okay, katakanlah ini. Okay, kita buat sama-sama. Okay, again. Okay, ini kita agak-agak je lah ya, 0 point. Ini je lah. Okay, now you will have, let's say ini 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Okay, so first value, capital Fy. So ini kamu punya capital F. Ini kamu punya Y. Okay, sketch dia punya value. Sketch capital Fy. Okay, so Y less than 3, your capital Fy is 0. Okay, Y tak termasuk 3. So you have 0, katakan ini nak bagi nampak warna lain, kita ambil this one. Maksudnya kat sini ni, ini 0 lah ya, 0. Okay, saya punya line 0. Okay, tapi kita bulatkan. Okay, sebab dia tak termasuk 3. Okay, capital Fy 0.01 antara 3 dan 4. So 3 dan 4. So katakan sini 0.01. Okay. Okay, bulat itu. So next 4 and 5. Okay, 4 and 5. Okay, 4 you have 0.23. So katakanlah kat sini 0.23. Okay, again this one. Oh, like that. Okay, sebab tak termasuk 5, saya tak letak solid dot. Saya just dot macam ni je. Ini panggil apa ya? Dot tu je lah ya. Ini kalau ini solid dot tu yang hitam tu kalau dia continuous. Okay, kalau 0.64 between 5 and 6. So this one between 5 and 6. So again, sorry, tersilap. Okay, ini dot kamu. Okay, ini dot, sorry dot, ini dot. Okay, 5 and 6 yang kat sini yang bulat macam ni. Okay. Okay, again, betul ya. 5 and 6, so ini 0.64. Okay, 5 and 6. So the next one between 6 and 7. Okay, again, 6 and 7. Okay, you will have 0.86. So the last one, you will have y greater or equals to 7. So ke sana dia punya anak dia. Okay, so this one is 1. So yang ni yang kita panggil sebagai step function. Okay, for discrete random variable. Okay, kalau kita ada discrete random variable, it is a step function. Yeah, so itu dia punya sketching dia. Okay, so now you want to find probability y equals to 7. Okay, probability y equals to 7. Okay, based on the value capital Fy. Okay, macam mana kita nak dapatkan probability y equals to 7? Apa dia punya jawapan dia? Ataupun kamu boleh bagi jawapan terus. Probability y equals to 7, apa dia? Dia punya value dia. Write in your chat. Okay, 0.14 Okay. So kalau dia punya method, kaedah dia macam mana tulis? Okay, you want to find probability y equals to 7. Okay, you have y greater or equals to 7 and between from 6 up to 7 lah, but does not include 7. Okay, so that's mean you will have, kalau kita ada ni kalau kita letak, okay, F7 minus F6. So that's mean 1 minus 0.86. Okay, capital F7 which is include 7 which is 1 minus capital F6 ini je, so 0.86. Okay. Probability y greater than or equals to 6. Maksudnya kita nak 6 and 7. Kita nak guna konsep dia cumulative distribution. Okay, this one. Y equal ni. Maksudnya 1 minus probability y less than or equals to 5. So you will have 1 minus capital F5. Okay, so 0.36. Okay, capital F5. Okay, good. 1 minus 0.64. Okay, the last one. Probability y less than 4. Probability y less than 4. Okay, y less than 4, that means does not include 4. So that means you want to find less than or equals to 3. So F3. Okay, where is your F3? So your F3 is 0.01. Okay, good. Okay, last so find the probability function. Find the probability function maksudnya listkan. Okay, find the probability function. So you will have, okay, y. Probability y equals to y. Okay, so kita akan ada 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you will have 0.01. Y equals to 4, so 0.23 minus 0.01, so 0.22. Okay, 0.41. 6 0. Apa tadi? 22 So 1 minus 0.2. Okay, this one 0.14. So 0.01, 0.22, 0.41, 0.22, 0.14. So check balik total probability tu sama tak dengan 1. Okay. So that's mean if your total probability equals to 1, so that's mean is this one is a probability function. Okay. Okay, ada apa-apa soalan ke setakat ini? Do you have any question? Okay, expected value and variance of a discrete random variable. Okay, so expected value tu maksudnya dia punya mean dia. Okay, expected value ni kita punya simbol dia adalah EX ni. Okay, the mean mu or the expected value of a discrete random variable X, okay, is equal to the sum of product, okay, of each value and its corresponding probability. So maksudnya kalau by formula, okay, you just write a symbol mu, okay, for mean. So expected value, so EX summation over X values. X ni, okay, kamu punya small x tu darabkan dengan dia punya probability. Okay, that is the formula for mean or expected value for a discrete random variable. Mean or expected value. So summation X times the probability. Okay. Yang itu kita dah tengok mean mu temu. So ini variance variability dia. Okay. The spread or dispersion of X. Kita dah tengok dalam measure of dispersion. Mean, variance and also standard deviation. So variance, the formula is given ini sigma square summation X minus mu square times probability. Okay. Kalau kita expandkan this formula, you will have this one lah. Summation X square, probability X equals to X minus mu square. Okay. But normally we use again this formula yang dah simplify, which is EX square. Okay, saya tak tunjuk dia macam mana dia punya proving dia. Okay. So EX square minus EX squared kan. Okay, EX square ni. Okay, EX kita dah tahu. Summation X times probability. So EX square summation X square times probability. So itu EX square. Kalau EX kita yang ni, yang tadi tu, yang tu. Kita ada summation X. Sorry. Summation X times probability. So if you want to find your variance, which is sigma square, ini variance X. So kita akan ada EX square. Okay, formula dia. Minus EX, yang kamu punya mu tu, squared kan. Okay, ini dua benda yang berbeza. EX square, which is summation X square times probability. EX yang kita dapat summation X times probability. So squared kan. So this is your variance sigma square. Ini formula dia lah ya. Sigma square sama dengan variance X. Kalau nak cari standard deviation, kamu square root je lah sigma square ni. So this one will give you standard deviation for X. Okay. So itu variance sigma square. Kalau nak dapatkan standard deviation, square root you punya value. Okay. And again your mean can be either positive or negative, but your variance is always positive. Okay, variance kamu tu sebab dia kuasa 2, squared. So it should be always positive value. Okay, positive value. Kalau kamu dapat variance yang negatif, maksudnya something wrong. Check balik. So variance sentiasa positive. Okay, formula is this one. Your mean, expected value, summation X times probability. Your variance is just EX square minus EX squared kan. Okay, asalnya formula dia ini. Summation X minus mu square times probability. Okay, kita expand this formula and then simplify. Kita akan dapat this one. Okay, EX square is just summation X square times probability. EX inilah summation X times probability. Okay, kita tengok one example ya. One example. Example 3.5 Okay, part 1. Verify whether this is a probability distribution. Okay, whether this one is a probability distribution. So that's mean you verify samalah fx greater or equals to 0. So satisfy. And then check your total probability ni. Ataupun your total fx ni. Sama tak dengan 1. Kalau sama, that's mean this one is a probability distribution. Okay, yang kedua. Find probability x greater than 3. Find probability x greater than 3. So that means does not include 3. So probability x equals to 4. Okay, plus probability x equals to 5. So 0.011 plus 0.001. Okay. This one. Sorry. 3, 4. Betul. Okay. Greater than 3, 4 and 5 je ya. So ini betulkan balik. Jawapan pun salah kat sini ya. Okay. Ini tak ada lah. Tapi kalau yang nak ini, kamu betulkan ini je lah. X greater equals to 3. So ini pun kita betulkan. X greater than equal to 3. Okay, so X greater than equal to 3, X equals to 3, 4, and 5. Okay, greater than equal to 3, so 4, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, the next one, between 1 and 5. So between 1 and 5 maksudnya tak termasuk 1 and 5 lah. So you have 2, 3, and 4. So total up semua. 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so part 4. Okay, find EX. Find EX, so summation X times probability. Okay, so you will have your X here. So X 0 times 0.502 plus 1 times 0.365 plus 2 times 0.098 sampai semula. So that is your mean. Okay, summation X times probability. So setiap kali tu tambah. Okay. And then you want to find your variance. Okay, variance formula tadi kita ada EX square minus EX squared kan. So EX square summation X square times probability. So X square, 0 square times probability is 1 square. Okay, you have 1.165. Okay, probability tu tak square X je kamu square kan. X square times probability plus X, ada X square times probability. Total up. Okay. Last, you want to find your variance. So EX square minus EX yang kamu dapat dekat ini. Okay, sini. Squarekan EX and then you get the value. So that is your variance.